In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer from Skrill to Skrill. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By using the latest version of the Skrill mobile app, you will be able to send money instantly to friends and family members with just their phone number. Even if they aren't registered within Skrill, you will be able to send them an invite and they will be able to receive the money within 2 weeks. So first, for you to start this process, open the latest version of the Skrill mobile app. In there, by using the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to send money to others. So choose send or start a transaction. Usually, like I mentioned, it is going to be on the navigation bar. When you choose send, one of the main options to send money within Skrill is going to be Skrill to Skrill. As you can see, this is going to be a free instant transfer and you can send money to anyone using only their phone number. So when you choose Skrill to Skrill, you will be able to enter the details about this transfer. So usually you have to enter the recipient's phone number or choose a person from your recent recipients list. When you choose them from that list or you include their phone number, you will be able to confirm the amount. If the total amount, including the fee, is bigger than what you currently have as available balance, you will get the option to pay with a card directly to top up this transfer. So either select a registered card or add a new one, or just make sure that you have the necessary amount of funds. Once this is done and you include the recipient's phone number and the amount, you will be able to proceed. And by checking the summary of the transaction and confirming it with your PIN, you will be good to go. Like I mentioned, if the other person is already registered within Skrill, they will receive the money and they will have full access to it right away. But if they aren't registered, they will get an invite as an SMS or push notification within the next 14 days to receive the money. The payment will remain pending, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish to send money within Skrill to other Skrill members. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Skrill to Skrill. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.